I have to agree with Com Willie when he said na itong mga player na to, parang mga anak nila daw yan.
Yeah.
I believe in restoration. I believe in reconciliation, right? But I also believe in premature discipline. Meaning, for me, may sinapak na to sa UP. Mababa ang pataw, di ba? May sinapak na to may pinagsasapak siya sa Benil, di ba? Short-lived din yung consequence. Ngayon, umabot na sa point, parang I think we're also at fault. Kasi we understand that John needs help. Obviously, may anger management issues. There were stories na, he was trying to protect his brother. For me, shooting someone, that's not just basketball related eh. Diba? Medyo iba yung question dyan pagdating sa safety ng community and until when are we... Kasi yan na nga yung kinakatakutan mo, diba? Ang sinasabi lang, ano ba, hintayin ba natin makapatay pa ng tao? Muntik na. Muntik na. I think more than anything, we just wanna understand. I think yun yung gusto malaman ng madaming tao.
Yeah.
Alam ko madaming nag-uusap at nagdedesisyon dyan.
Yeah.
Diba? At nire-respeto natin. Pero ang tanong kasi is, anong basihan? Parang kailan nagiging lifetime suspension? Kailan nagiging lifetime ban? Kailan nagiging indefinite? Kailan ba 15 games lang or one
Yes.
conference? Kailan ba nagiging ganon? Ano yung gravity? Di ba, kunwari sa eskwelahan. Di ba sa eskwelahan na lang? Di ba? Pag nandaya ka, ito ang third degree yan, offense, or first degree offense, second degree offense. Di ba? Pagka may minura ka, may first degree. May ganun kasi category. Ang hindi nagko-connect kasi is parang mas matindi pa yung namaril kaysa dun sa naglarong labas. Pero yung pag-degree ng offense,
Mas malakas
parang iba eh. Di ba? Iba yung
Yeah.
Yun.